Hello children, today we are going to discuss an interesting topic. Can you see some pictures on the screen? Can you tell me the seasons we wear a particular type of dress? In the first picture, you can see the raincoat and umbrella. Can you tell me the season when we use raincoat and umbrella? You all know that we use raincoat and umbrella during rainy season. You all will be using it now because for us it is rainy season now. Now tell me, when we use sweaters and jackets? When it is cold, that is in winter season. You can see that in the second picture, the child is wearing woolen clothes. We wear woolen clothes in winter. Now tell me, what we will wear when it is hot, that is in summer season? In summer season, we wear cotton clothes and use sunglass and hat. In the third picture, you can see that. Now today, we are going to discuss a new topic, different types of clothes we wear. We use cotton clothes in summer. They keep us cool. They absorb sweat. They allow air to pass through. We use cotton clothes in summer. They absorb air, they absorb sweat. We use cotton clothes in summer. They keep us cool. They allow air to pass through. They absorb sweat. T-shirt, tunic, frock, shorts, top, skirt, jute clothes. We can make many things from jute. We get jute from jute plant. Indian jute is famous all over the world. Rope, shoulder bag, gunny bag, handbag. Silk clothes. We wear clothes made of silk. We get silk from silkworm. We get silk from silkworm. Silkworm lives in a cocoon made of long sticky threads. This thread is used to make silk cloth. Silkworm lives in a cocoon made of long sticky threads. This thread is used to make silk clothes. Woolen clothes. We wear woolen clothes to keep ourselves warm. We get wool from the hair on the body of sheep. Cap, sweater, muffler. We also wear leather clothes in winter season. They keep us warm. We get leather from the skin of the dead animals. Leather is used to make belts, jackets and shoes. We wear waterproof clothes when it rains. It prevents us from getting wet. Children, do you know the meaning of fiber? Fiber means thread. There are two types of fibers, synthetic and natural. Synthetic fibers are man-made. Nylon, rayon, polyester. Natural fibers are obtained from plants and animals. Silk, cotton, wool. Now we are going to learn how cotton clothes are made from cotton fibers. We get cotton from cotton plants. We make thread from it by spinning. This thread is called yarn. The weaver weaves yarn on a loom to make cloth. A dyer dyes cloth in different colors. Finally, a tailor stitches the clothes to make garments like shirts, blouses, skirts, etc. Special clothes. People who do same kind of work wear special clothes. They are called uniform. People who do same kind of work wear special clothes. They are called uniforms. Student, car mechanic, air hostess, pilot, sailor. Costumes. People living in different places wear different types of clothes. They are called costumes. People living in different places wear different types of clothes. They are called costumes. In the screen, you can see some wedding costumes used by different religious people. Hindu bride and groom, Christian bride and groom, Muslim bride and groom, Sikh bride and groom. The clothes dancers and actors wear are also called costumes. The clothes dancers and actors wear are also called costumes. These are some dance costumes. Bharatanatyam, Odissi, Kathakali, Manipuri, Kathak. Next we are going to learn different uses of clothes. Beside clothes, we make many more other things with cloth, like carpet, curtains, sofa covers, bedspread, blanket, quilt, table cover, napkins. Next is exercise. Take your textbook, chapter 5, clothes we wear. We can do the exercise. First one, complete the flow chart. Complete the flow chart. Here you can see flow chart. You have to complete it. In this flow chart, fiber is written, and we learned that there are two types of fibers: synthetic, natural. Natural is given there, natural is given here. You have to write synthetic. Write here synthetic. We learn the example of synthetic fibers: nylon, rayon, polyester. Polyester is already given. Write nylon, rayon. Write here nylon, here rayon. Example of synthetic fibers are nylon, rayon, polyester. Next, natural fibers. Examples are cotton, jute, wool, silk. Silk is given Write cotton in this box, jute, wool. Did you understand this flow chart? Write like this way. Next exercise, number the pictures in the correct order. Here some pictures are given. You should number it in correct order. First, cotton. We learned that we will get cotton from cotton plant. So, write number 1 below this cotton picture. Second, cotton. This is cotton. Write number 2. And from this cotton, we make cotton yarn. 3. And with the help of this cotton yarn, we can make different cotton clothes. Here cotton shirt is given. 4. So, this is the order. First cotton plant, then cotton yarn, then cotton clothes. Second one. In the second picture, we can see silkworm. So, put number 1 here, silkworm under the picture of silkworm. Write number 1 and we learn that silkworm lives in a cocoon. Here the picture of cocoon and we can see inside the cocoon silkworm. Cocoon, we learned that silkworm lives in a cocoon. Cocoon is a long sticky threads. So, number 2, write below this picture cocoon. So, from this long sticky thread, we will get silk thread. We make silk thread with long sticky threads that we get from cocoon. This is silk thread. Write number 3 below silk thread. And from silk thread, we can make silk clothes. Here silk clothes are given. Write number 4. Next, here we can see first one is cotton plant. Write number 1, cotton plant. And we learned that we will loom the cotton. Here the picture of looming. Then dyer will dye the cotton cloth and give various colors. Dyer will dye the cotton cloth to give various colors. So, write number 3 below this picture. So, first cotton plant, then looming picture number 2, then this dyer is dyeing this picture number 3 and we will make cotton garments. Here we can see the tailor is stitching the cloth. So, write number 4 below the picture. Hope you understand this. Turn the page. Page 30. Next exercise. Write 3 things we make from these fibers. Write 3 things we make from these fibers. First, cotton. From cotton we can make shirt, frock, skirt. So, write shirt, frock, skirt. Second, wool. Sweater, muffler, cap. Sweater, muffler, cap. Silk. Shirt, frock, silk ribbon. Shirt, frock, silk ribbon. Last one, jute. Rope, handbag, belt. Rope, handbag, belt. Next exercise, look at their uniforms and write their profession. Here some pictures are given. Look these pictures and write down their profession. Here this is air hostess. Write air hostess. Next, car mechanic. This is pilot. This one, sailor. So, these are the people wearing different uniforms. Air hostess, car mechanic, pilot, sailor. Next, answer the following questions. First one. Why do we wear clothes? Why do we wear clothes? We wear clothes to protect ourselves from heat, cold, rain and insects. We wear clothes to protect ourselves from heat, cold, rain and insects. Why do we wear clothes? We wear clothes to protect ourselves from heat, cold, rain and insects. 2. Why do we wear cotton clothes in summer? Why do we wear cotton clothes in summer? We wear cotton clothes in summer because they keep us, our body, cool. They keep us, our body, cool, allow air to pass through, and absorb sweat easily. We wear cotton clothes in summer because they keep us, our body, cool, allow air to pass through and absorb sweat easily. Next, from where do we get wool? From where do we get wool? Answer, we get wool from the hair on the body of sheep. We get wool from the hair on the body of sheep. Next, fourth question. Name the two types of fibers. Name the two types of fibers. Natural fiber and synthetic fiber. Natural fiber and synthetic fiber. Last question, fifth one. From where do we get natural fibers? From where do we get natural fibers? Natural fibers are obtained from plants and animals. Natural fibers are obtained from plants and animals. With this, our chapter is over. Write the exercise and question answers in textbook and do the activity. Learn this. Read the chapter 3 times. Next is activity. Stick the following cloth pieces: cotton cloth, silk cloth, woolen cloth. Stick it in your notebook. Home task is read the textbook 3 times and do the activity and also learn the notes. See you again. Thank you.